Hello everyone, I am Biswajit.
Stop. Before starting anything, let's roll out the intro. Hello everyone, welcome to Two Men Two Bikes. I am Anshuman and
I am Biswajit. So our college days are finally over.
And we are not at all sad about it, rather we are very happy to be honest.
And to celebrate that, we are going on a ride tomorrow.
So last year we went to Vizag and we explored the amazing Araku Valley. But sadly we didn't get enough time to explore the Vizag city itself. So this time also we are going to Vizag.
But this time we have plenty of days in hand. So we are planning to thoroughly explore the city and also visit some place that we have in mind.
So let's meet on the bikes. Alright, so it is 5:40 am in the morning. That is my Apache R310 Erza and this is Biswajit's Duke 390 known as Yuki. By the way, our official Instagram handle is now open. You can follow us right there to know about the ride updates and all the other stuffs related to our channel.
And as you can see on our bikes that we are using Rynox Magnapod as a tank pad, and we have tied down a normal backpack using bunches as a tail bag, and we are also using Rynox leather gloves and wearing Rynox Air Gt riding jackets. And it's not like Rynox is sponsoring this video or anything, it's just that we really love Rynox products, that's why we are using a lot of them.
Alright, we are good to go. See you on the way. Okay, so till now I guess we have done okay. Okay, so till now we have done more than 100 kilometers, more 300 around kilometers to go, and this is the second toll gate. And we will be stopping for breakfast ahead. So far it's so good. So this is the Chilika viewpoint, that's the Chilika lake. I hope you guys can see. Well, it's not safe. Okay, and that's the amazing mountains. And this is actually my favorite spot, but this time we are not going to stop because we don't just wanna waste time by enjoying the views. Because it is too hot. I mean, soon after a half an hour or so the temperature will begin to rise, so we want to cover as much as kilometer possible before the temperature goes way beyond our limit. We are at the breakfast stop. ये दिखाई देता हूँ. Alright, so time is 7:29. We have done about 133 kilometers right now, and basically this area's specialty is puri upma, and that's why we are gonna stop and eat a bit.
So we are done with our breakfast. The breakfast was good, and now we don't plan on taking any breaks till Berhampur or after that. The next break we will take will probably be a fuel break. So let's meet at the next place we stop at. Oi, it's really difficult getting on the bike when it's mounted with all the luggage.
Alright, so we have done about 170 kilometers, and right now we are going for a refuel, as I have hit reserve in my bike. So that's the petrol pump. ସେପଟେ ବୁଲି ଯିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ. Okay, I think ଏ ରଖିଲେ ହେବ ନା ସେପଟେ. Okay.
So we are done with refueling our bikes, and the temperature is just rising. It's currently 8:45 and we have done only 170 kilometers, and with time the temperature will only rise. Anyways, the roads are all straight, so it's kind of boring. That's why we are not showing much of the roads. And if you are old subscriber, then previously in our previous videos we mostly showed roads, so if you want to see the roads, then you can go watch those videos. So what I was saying is, this ride could have been a lot more boring, but because we have Sena we are able to listen to music with great quality and enjoying the ride. As you can see, Anshuman is dancing in front of me. Well, he has done a cruise control jugaad. Let me show you.
I just took that rubber and I have attached it between my accelerator and the bar end. So basically it just stops the accelerator at a certain point, which actually helps to maintain the speed, and it is really amazing. I mean, I am actually really enjoying this cruise control stuff. Desi cruise control, jugaad cruise control actually.
So it seems we have reached Vizag, not exactly inside the city, but the outskirts of it. So we have finally checked in our hotel, and those are our bikes parked under the shade of the trees.
And the swimming pool. Yep, that's
Okay.
the swimming pool.
That's the swimming pool for Anshuman. And the name of the hotel is Ananya Convention, and just check out the view from this side of the balcony.
The beat.
So this is another door to the same place, and TV, a nice bed. That's it. Let me pan in again.